Find the device node where boot is located. If it's dev SDA4 or dev SDA2, the device node is in dev SDA. Then reinstall the bootloader using this command. This is the expected output. Fedora retires packages due to obsolescence, dead upstream, or maintainers stepping down. These packages remain on your system but will no longer receive upgrades. It's highly recommended to remove them. You can use the following script to retain only the latest kernel and clean up old kernels. Save the contents in a file, for example cleanfedorakernel.sh. Make it executable. Then run it to remove old kernels. Over time, GPG keys from older Fedora releases and third-party repositories accumulate in the RPM database. You can remove unreferenced keys with this commands. Install Symlinks. Audit for broken Symlinks. Delete broken Symlinks.